Maya, do you didn't tell her?
No, actually, I'm pretending. Hi, welcome to Mr. C. It's beautiful. Flower Penthouse.
Oh, thank you.
It's a gorgeous unit here in Coconut Grove, and I'm so glad to show it to you because luxury goes hand in hand.
Yes.
And this is a stunning unit. You have 6,600 square feet under air with over 2,000 square feet of outdoor terrace.
Absolutely beautiful.
Ready to check it out?
Oh, I'm so ready.
Let's see. So here we are in this casual area. Again, casual of an $18 million property.
Oh, no, it's amazing.
But it's a great space. Either send the kids here or just come relax here yourself, watch TV, make it a game room, casual family area.
Girls' night.
Girls' night, wine and cheese. You could do it all here. Book club you can do here. Or just maybe do a show, a trunk show with all your beautiful...
Yes. That's actually a very good idea.
Right?
Yeah.
Welcome to the kitchen. It's an exclusive Mr. C design uniqueness. As you can see, it's kind of like the signature. Large island, obviously very great to cook. Do you cook?
I do. I have my 3 little babies, so I cook.
Amazing. So this is the perfect space to do that.
I love it.
It's open to the family room.
I love that they can watch TV. I'm not big on the TV, but when we're eating and I need them to focus and eat, we got the TV.
Yeah, and no judgment there because I'm the last person to judge on that. I always say, is it a punishment for my kids or for me? So this is perfect actually. You can watch them, you can cook, and
there's nothing like drinking your glass of wine while you're cooking.
Yes,
This view.
Exactly.
Right?
It's very inspiring.
Yes.
We're in the primary suite. You have plenty of space here, seating area, obviously nice large furniture. By the way, they all staged by All About the Wow.
Yes.
Did a great job with this.
Love everything that they do.
Yes, it's a great, very nice, very clean, very modern. And then you have electric shades.
I love it.
It's like imagine waking up to this view every day.
I don't need to imagine it. I see it. It's a
Manifest.
Yes.
It's like unobstructed. You see all the sailing boat. It's so pretty, and you can walk everywhere here in the Grove. It's just such a nice location.
I always hear myself just drinking coffee right here. Or
I feel like
wine. Wine. Forget the coffee.
I guess till
wine.
7 a.m.
Yes.
Yes, it's pretty nice and relaxing.
I love it.
And the creme de la creme, this large terrace with those stunning views. I mean, I can only imagine it at 7 p.m. Again,
Just the wine.
sipping a glass of bread.
And
Yes.
especially during weather like this.
I know, we are in December.
So hot, but today and just December in general was so beautiful. So to appreciate this view.
Yes, it's just beautiful and comfortable, and this view will never get blocked. That's kind of like what the value with this unit, and just in general, Coconut Grove. You don't have too many places for developers to come and develop. You literally have 3 other buildings here that are newer construction, but Mr. C is the newest one. It's a very good value.
And I love that you're so close to Fresh Market and you're so close to shops.
Exactly. You can go up, Bayshore to Main Highway, and you're like, in the midst of everything.
I love it. The great location.